content. Keep going. Okay, so in this video, I really want to put this KLX to the test for those out there that are maybe thinking about buying a KLX. This one here is a 2020 KLX 110L. I actually have a Pro Circuit exhaust on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Other than that, it's basically stock. That's fourth gear right there. Okay, so this hill right here I think should be a pretty good challenge for the bike. It probably doesn't look too steep on camera, but it's actually kind of steep in person. So let's go ahead and see how the KLX does against hills. That was cool. Even the guy in the Jeep liked it. Okay, so there's this other hill. This one looks a little bit more steeper than the other one. Let's see if the KLX can make it up there. Whoa. Oh no. Nope, it ain't doing it. No way. This is way too steep. Okay. Oh, damn. Alright, now the real question is, can the KLX wheelie? I think it can wheelie. Let's find out. Okay, it's kind of sandy here. Let's try that again. Let's try to wheelie this whole turn, see if we can do it. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Okay, first thing on why you should get a pit bike with electric start. Because of this. God damn it. There's a cop to my right. Should we just go? Should we just go for it? If we get chased, screw it. That's good content. Keep going. Okay, so I guess he's not following us. He probably doesn't even care. See, this is what I love about owning a pit bike. God damn, look at my hands. These grips. But this is what I love about owning a pit bike, especially during the summertime, where you can just come out in the afternoon, ride around. If you're looking to get a pit bike to either learn how to wheelie, then honestly, this bike here is perfect for that. It's really easy to wheelie on it. I'm gonna show a video. Actually, I owned an SSR, and I think I have a video of when I was trying to wheelie, when I was learning how to wheelie on the SSR. I'll show the video right here. So that was me trying to wheelie on the SSR. I kind of struggled. It was a little bit hard. I didn't really learn how to wheelie on that bike, but I ended up getting rid of that bike and I ended up getting this one. I think it took me like a month to be able to wheelie on this bike. Well, this is me wheeling on this bike. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other tests that maybe you guys would want to see me do on the KLX, maybe that I included in the video. My name is Gooner. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.